The new TNs from Carpe Diem are out and all these beautiful products. I'm so excited. I'm going to take you through my TNs and show you what's on the inside, and I'm also going to show you how you can use all the pretty new products in your planner. Stay tuned. Hi there, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and I'm so excited to show you these brand new products from Simple Stories Carpe Diem. They're so fun. I'm so excited. Okay, but you know what? I'm going to be mean. Yeah, I'm going to wait and leave the TNs till the end because I like saving the best for last. So you'll have to stick around and wait to the end if you're excited to see those. If you want your planner to not only make you smile when you open it because it's so pretty, but also keeps you organized, then make sure you subscribe to this channel because that's what I'm all about. I like to make sure that we do pretty things, but also things that keep you organized. So make sure you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up if you like all these fantastic Carpe Diem products. What I want to start with is the collection lines. Now, I got two. I got the Dream Big, which I think everyone is most excited about, and I got the Little Dude because I have 5 little dudes. Well, 3 of them are bigger than me, so I guess they're not, oops, they're not technically little dudes anymore. There's a random strawberry. That's from summer, Hello Summer. Anyway, let's get back to Dream Big. It's really pretty. It's very girly, and I know a lot of us have really girly planners, but I don't want you to overlook the boy collection because it's so fun. And I think, honestly, I prefer this one. Maybe it's because I have 5 sons, but the colors are so fun and so vibrant. Look at these. Can you see? So I really don't want you to just cast this aside because it's got robots and dinosaurs. These are all the papers, and they're 12 by 12, so they're fantastic for covering inserts, which I'll show you in a second. And on the back, inside this collection, there's lots of stickers, and there's lots of labels, and this pretty washi strip, and the labels, tabs, sorry, as well. So it's super fun, and I'm really excited. So I think this is the first week I'm going to set up with this. I'll show you this one. I can understand why people are so excited about this. I mean, it's so pretty. The rainbow's my favorite. I love the roller skate too. And yeah, the butterfly. It's amazing. It really is amazing. It's just so pretty, and the colors are so me. So here are the papers. Again, fabulous for covering inserts or doing all kinds of different things in your planner because, yeah, you can do anything you want in your planner. These could be great little tip-ins. These are 4x6 when you cut them out, the cut apart sheets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, now that I've shown you the collection, I'm going to go through each element and give you ideas for your planner, what you can use these products for. Because a lot of the times we overlook scrapbooking collections, but you know what? You shouldn't, because they're a lot of fun. Let me move this over a little bit. They're a lot of fun, and you can use anything you want in your planner. So let's just maybe separate them a bit. Okay, so stickers. There are 2 different types of stickers. So there's big stickers on the back of the paper that comes with the paper, and then there's these sticker packs. There are 8 sheets in each. Let me just show you one by one so you can get a good close look. And they've got all kinds. These are great for your planners. These are actually made for planners. There's little tiny stickers with sayings, there's little labels, and then these are phrases as well. You've got boxes and sayings. And this one, pretty much the same. Boxes, planner stickers, sayings, boxes, phrases, little words as well there. So super versatile for your planner. Those are the stickers. There's also puffy stickers. Now these are a bit tough because they are puffy. They're going to take up a little bit of volume in your planner, but that doesn't mean you can't use them. What I like to do with these is use them in layers and clusters, and I'll put them in the corner off to the side, like a monthly view would be a better idea. When you have the month, sometimes like you don't use the first, sometimes you don't use the first day or the last day. So those are places that you can use puffy stickers because you're not going to write in that area on other pages, so you won't feel it through the book as much. Then you have die cuts, and these are fantastic for your pockets, for filling in empty boxes in your day that you don't have anything to put in. Here's the designs of these. There really is a lot of things you can do with die cuts. Again, I put them on the side in like a cluster or layer them up with some puffy stickers or other smaller stickers. And I think what my favorite thing to do with these is to add them to my pocket because they just fill them up and make them look really pretty, really simply. And if you've followed me for a while, I'm going to do that this way. Whee! You know that I love using these chipboard pieces to make planner clips. And they're super fun and they're super easy. You just peel up, if you push it through the back, see how that comes off? And then just peel the backing up enough to get some hot glue and a clip in there, you're all set. I'm definitely going to use the rainbow. I'm definitely going to do the dinosaur because I have my littlest one is just obsessed with dinosaurs at the moment. And again, because they're thick, I would use them the same way you're going to use the puffy stickers, off to the side, somewhere where you're not writing on a regular basis in your planner. That's the collections. Put those to the side. Next, I want to get into the inserts because these are brand new, and I've been making my own inserts just from blank paper and Carpe Diem scrapbook paper. See, I just take a book, and then what I'll do, find the middle. I'll cut them to size, and I'll either staple. These ones are stapled, or I will stitch down the middle. So it's super fun, super easy, but if you've got one already made, it's even easier, especially with some of these. They've got fun stuff on the inside. So I'm going to go through each one. There's weekly, monthly, notes. These ones aren't labeled. So this one is lined. They come in packs of 2. So you usually get a mix of different ones. I don't have the list here with me, but there'll be like a grid and a dot, for example. So we have grid, lined, blank. There's another weekly. I'll show those in a second. I just want to show you the different ones. And there's the grid. So you've got quite a selection of different, it depends on what you want to use. If you get the daily pack, then you get 2 daily ones. If you get the weekly pack, you get 2 weekly ones. If you get the monthly one, I'm pretty sure it came with the ones that said notes. So it's just the lined one. So they come together. And I'm going to show you the insides of each one. So the weekly, on the first page, actually, you get a little label and a blank page, and then each of the other pages is like this. So you have your whole week on 2 pages. It's horizontal, it's lined, and it's fun because the Monday, or the days of the week, all of them actually, are tilted on the side, and there's a spot for the number. And Carpe Diem has a whole tablet. I'm going to go into these tablets in a second, but there's a whole tablet dedicated to numbers, so you can pick your style for the week and match it up to whatever stickers you're using. So the weekly one is really fun. Let's do the monthly next. Again, I like this one. This one's really fun. Again, not again. I guess that's the daily. So let's start here. You have the monthly spread, and then on the next page, you have a page for notes, and then this month, birthdays, important dates, don't forget, to-do, and goals. And then I think that goes right to the end. Must be notes. Yes. The calendars are not dated, but the month is written in. So you'll have January, February, March, but then it doesn't say 2018 or doesn't have the actual numbers. So for example, if you buy this today, we're in July, you can start with July, go through the rest of the year, and then when you hit December, you can go back to January and make that 2019, and then just put your numbers from the sticker book in there, and you're all set. Let's go on to daily. This is what I was thinking of. The front of the daily one has the label, and then each spread is all the same. So on the left, you have a place to put the date, your to-do list, and then a schedule. It goes from 7 to 8, and 7 is a bit late for me. I'm up at 5:30 every day. I have 6 children. One of them is a really early riser. That can be worked around. And then at the bottom, there's a little spot for notes. So that's really fun. What I love most about these inserts is how customizable they are. You can make this look any way you want it to. You can cover the cover. You can cover the cover with scrapbook paper, any of the from the collections, or you can doodle on this, add stickers. If you don't want it to say daily, you can put a sticker there. You can do anything that your little heart desires. And then inside, the words are in like a really dark gray. I don't think it's black. It could be black, but the thing that I love is that the lines, and in these ones, the dots and the grids, that one's blank, of course, I would pick up the blank one. These lines, they're all gray. So they're not overpowering, and it doesn't take away from the design and the stickers and all that stuff that you're going to add. Sometimes when you have a planner insert, the lines and the dots, everything's so dark, it's sort of too overwhelming. And then when your design is in there, it takes away from all that effort you've put in with the stickers and everything. And all you end up seeing is the dark lines. So that's the inserts. Let's go on to the stamps. The stamps are super cute. I just got the 1 pack. but there's some like little designs, but there's also functional ones. Like you can use that in a box and add stuff to it. And these could be headers. That's just cute. I love it. And then notes, and you can actually write things in it. You can even write things in this little binder clip. No, is that a bulldog clip? Yeah, sorry. So they're super fun and they're super cute, and you can color them in with your markers or your watercolor or anything that you want to make it customizable to your planner the way that you want it to look. Okay, let's go on to these tablets because I love these. I think they're fantastic. Let's start with these ones because they're a bit different than the other one. So I think each one has 12 pages, but they do have a lot of stickers in them. So yeah, you get your money's worth. And they're super, super pretty. They're perfect for your planner because these ones are from various Carpe Diem Simple Stories collections. This one is the Good Vibes collection, and this one is Hello. They're scaled down versions of the images from those collections. So you can fit them in your planner and they don't take up as much room as the items from the actual collections, like the bigger stickers. And these, I'm pretty sure that these fit in the weekly of the insert. Where's the weekly? They're the same height as the weekly, so you can add them to the edge of your page. The little boxes that where are they? These little boxes fit in the monthly boxes as well. All right. This one is so fun because it's seasons, and every page is a month. So these are fantastic for decorating your monthly insert or anything that you want to do. You can have them throughout the month that you're working on, and May is so pretty. And if I'm not mistaken, these match the free printables at simplestories.com. Oh, August, I love you! Because I'm Canadian, so I'm sorry, but that July is just not going to happen. But August is so fun. Oh, the watermelon. Okay, so those are the sticker tablets. Guess what? Oh, we're on to the TNs. Oh, whoa. Okay, I'm going to walk you through both of them. Yeah, you can choose. There's a bunch of different styles, but these are the two that sort of jumped out at me and that I really, really wanted. So this is the floral typewriter, obviously because there's flowers and there's written words. And they're fun words. They're very motivational. There's one that says hustle and then dream big and grateful and bloom. And so it's really fun. And the flowers are so pretty. Sorry, I get a little excited. And on the inside, it's chocolate brown, and you have your row of pockets, and then a big pocket here. You've got 2 strings and the gingham background. It's so fun, and it's like fake leather. So if you don't like using leather, you're all set. Oh wait, now, I made a mistake. There's 4 elastics. I didn't even realize. So this insert comes with it, and it's just pink polka dotted, and then a blank pages on the inside. And this is new. I was pretty excited when I saw this. There's a flap instead of the slit because you don't want to lose things down inside. And then there's a big one down here. But I'm working on a video right now about using that back pocket in your planner. So look for that. It's coming really soon. And I've got I think I'm most excited about this video than I have been for any video. So when you see that out, make sure you click on it and watch it. Make sure you're subscribed too so that you won't miss it, because I'm really, really excited because I've got fantastic ideas for you not to lose things down inside. And the back is the same as the front. Then this one is the one I'm going to set up first, because this one is a little dark and I think it'll be better come fall. September at least anyway. This is the cream dot, I think it's called, and it's dot and cream. And on the inside it has the same pattern in the back, and then cream colored pockets, same dealio pockets, 4, not 2 elastics, the floral almost the same as this but sort of like a smaller scale without the type, and then again with the flap and the big pocket. And of course I didn't say that, but there's a pen loop right there. If you are excited for these products and you are excited about some of the things that I've showed you, like for example using those little bitty stickers from the tablets in your planner, or how to make clips out of chipboard, I have another TN setup. If you can't wait, because I'm going to set this one up soon, and that video will be coming up soon, but if you can't wait for that, the last Carpe Diem TN that I set up, I've got that video up, so I'll put it up here in the cards right here, I guess, and go watch that now while you're waiting, and I'll work on getting this one set up, and I'll have that video up for you as soon as I can. But make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss that video about the pockets or any other of my videos. If you like having a planner that not only makes you smile when you open it, but also keeps you super organized, make sure you're subscribed to this channel because that's what I'm all about. Go enjoy your Carpe Diem goodies, and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.